Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something incredibly unique on the menu, the 2026 Citroën Ami, and not just any version, but one dressed in an earthy, stylish brown finish. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, because this is where we dive deep into cars that break the mold. And trust me, the Ami is in a category all its own. In a world obsessed with horsepower, massive grills, and flashy touchscreens, the Ami proudly marches to the beat of its own drum, or should I say, hum. It's compact, it's electric, and it's designed to get you from point A to point B without drama. But is that enough in 2026? Has Citroën improved on its quirky little EV since the last iteration? And is it worth your money? Stick around, because in this full-length review, we'll be unpacking everything you need to know about the new Ami. From its undeniably charming exterior to its ultra-basic but efficient interior, how it performs on the road, and whether the price tag matches the experience. Let's get into it. Exterior. Let's kick things off with the design, and this one's a conversation starter, for sure. The 2026 Citroën Ami looks like a concept car that somehow made it into production, and we mean that in the best way. In a sea of over-designed crossovers and sedans, the Ami's cube-like silhouette is a breath of fresh air. Its design is pure function, symmetrical front and rear, flat glass panels, and plastic body cladding, but somehow, it works. It's weird, it's whimsical, and it's French. Now, let's talk about that brown color. Brown isn't a shade you often associate with modern cars, but on the Ami, it just fits. The earthy tone adds a bit of warmth and depth to its minimalist design. It contrasts beautifully with the matte plastic body panels, giving the Ami a little touch of retro charm. Like a modern twist on something you'd see zipping around in a 1970s sci-fi flick. The Ami rides on 14-inch wheels, yes, 14 inches, tucked neatly under each corner, which enhances its ultra-compact footprint. This is a car that measures just 2.41 meters long. To put that into perspective, it's shorter than most golf carts. But thanks to clever proportions and wide glass surfaces, it feels anything but claustrophobic. It's also worth mentioning the doors. Yes, the Ami has one door that opens normally and one that opens in the opposite direction, a nod to clever cost-cutting and symmetry. Whether you see it as quirky or genius, it definitely sparks curiosity. Interior. Now let's open up those oddball doors and step inside. If you thought the outside of the Ami was minimal, just wait until you sit down inside. The interior of the 2026 Ami continues Citroën's design philosophy of doing more with less. And we really mean less. But here's the thing, it all has purpose. The dashboard is a simple molded piece of plastic with a smartphone holder instead of an infotainment screen. That's right, your phone is the infotainment system. Just plug it in via USB-C, and you've got maps, music, and more. It's a clever solution for a car that's all about affordability and functionality. There's no traditional gauge cluster either, just a small digital screen in front of the driver that shows speed, range, and battery level. And honestly, that's all you really need in a vehicle like this. There are no creature comforts like climate control, power windows, or even a traditional glove box. Instead, Citroën uses netting and removable storage bins to keep things practical and lightweight. And yet, it never feels cheap, just unapologetically utilitarian. The brown version of the 2026 Ami comes with color-coordinated accents inside, brown door pulls, trim rings around the vents, and a few contrast stitching points that match the exterior. It's subtle but gives the car a unified, almost designer-like vibe. The seats are Spartan, but they're well-shaped and surprisingly comfy for city drives. As for space, it's tight but well thought out. There's seating for 2 adults, and because the wheels are pushed to the edges of the car, you've got just enough legroom and headroom to avoid feeling cramped. Cargo space is minimal, but there's enough behind the passenger seat for a couple of grocery bags or a gym duffel. Performance. Alright, let's talk about how the Ami actually drives. And to be fair, we use the term drive a little differently here. The Ami isn't built for speed, or long distances, or aggressive cornering. It's built for short city trips, and in that context, it absolutely excels. Under the floor sits a 5.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery powering a single electric motor that sends all of 8 horsepower to the front wheels. Yep, 8. Top speed? 28 miles per hour, or 45 kilometers per hour. Which means it's technically a quadricycle, not a car, and that distinction matters because in many European countries, it can be driven without a full driver's license. But numbers aside, driving the Ami is an experience in and of itself. The throttle is responsive enough for darting through city traffic, and the steering is light and immediate. The turning radius is ridiculously tight, perfect for navigating narrow alleyways, U-turns, and parking in the tiniest of spaces. This is urban agility at its finest. It's also whisper quiet. There's very little road noise thanks to the low speeds, and because it's electric, there's no engine noise. The 2026 model adds slightly better sound insulation than before, making the cabin a bit less echoey. Range? You're looking at around 47 miles or 75 kilometers on a full charge. Again, not much, but remember, this car is designed for the short haul. Commuting across town, school runs, or last-mile deliveries, the Ami handles these with no complaints. Charging is simple, too. You plug it into a standard 220V outlet, and you'll go from 0 to full in about 3 hours. No fast charging, no apps, no drama. Just plug and go. Price. So how much does this tiny brown box of charm cost? In 2026, the Citroën Ami starts at around €8,990 in most European markets, that's just under $10,000, depending on exchange rates. That puts it among the most affordable EVs on the planet. And Citroën has made it even more accessible with flexible leasing options, starting as low as €25 per month in some regions with a small down payment. The brown variant, part of a new Earth Tone series Citroën introduced this year, comes as part of a special trim level, called the Terra Edition, which adds roughly €400 to the base price. For that, you get the unique paint, interior trim accents, and some small cosmetic touches. There are also a few optional accessories available, like door nets, smartphone docks, portable Bluetooth speakers, and even Ami-branded seat covers. But remember, this is not a car meant to be spec'd up like a BMW. The Ami is best enjoyed in its simplicity. What you're really paying for here is utility, style, and character, not luxury. And in that regard, the Ami delivers more bang for your buck than almost anything else on the market. So, where does that leave us with the 2026 Citroën Ami? It's not fast. It's not luxurious. It's not meant for road trips or spirited driving. But what it is brilliant. It's affordable, easy to drive, charming to look at, and tailor-made for the urban jungle. The brown color adds an unexpected level of sophistication and warmth to a car that's already full of personality. It's a vehicle that invites curiosity, starts conversations, and stands out in the best possible way. The Ami is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement that less can be more, that not every vehicle needs to be over-engineered, and that joy can come in small, electric packages. If you live in a city and are looking for a fun, frugal, and environmentally conscious way to get around, or even if you just want something unique to complement your lifestyle, the 2026 Citroën Ami in brown might just be your perfect companion. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Ami. Would you drive one? Is this the future of urban mobility, or just a fun novelty? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a review. Until next time, stay inspired, stay mobile, and I'll catch you in the next one.